Hello, everybody. This is Jonathan Ryerson with the channel of Play Video Game 7000. And today, in the Skyscraper sim, we're going to be exploring the MARTA, which is another metro train station. And I'm not sure which is in Atlanta. But this is a Midtown Atlanta facility. And today, right behind me, these elevators do have a little bit of a glitch right here in the parking garage, so we're going to go ride those first. The 12th floor is kind of glitchy, and it pushes me into the elevator shaft every time I go up there on the elevator. And for some reason on these Schindler elevators with the 2-speed door, they're missing the call button texture. I'm not sure why, but here is the elevator. So let's take a ride on one of them. We get the one on the right first. And it's got a 2-speed door. The highest I can go is floor 11, so we're going to pretend that the floor 12 is restricted. Here we go. Close the door. This is a very nice elevator, but the glass window is probably walled off or something, but this is a nice Schindler elevator that's in black and white. Here's the phone button. Here's the phone. Let's go down to the C.
Hello, this is security. Can I help you? Hello? Hello? Speak to me? Hello? Anyone there? Are you stuck?
So anyways, here we are at the bottom floor. Let's go explore the other elevators. And there is something interesting. Well, we'll watch this one close. That is a very slow door. And let's go this way so we can explore the other half of the facility. That room's empty. Not sure what that is, and I'm not sure what this is supposed to be either. And here is an elevator machine room right here. That's for this elevator right here. And this elevator only goes up to that floor that's at the top of these escalators right here. So here we go. Push the button. And let's go up. Let's go up to the station. Or the street, whatever you like to call it. This is probably a ThyssenKrupp elevator. There is no indicator on the other side. It's going to open on this side. Here's the chime. This is the elevator at the top. Door close button works. I like that. Let's go back down to the letter C. And this is a very nice elevator. I like the light and the cab. This is kind of reminds me of a cab in real life. It's going to open on this side at the bottom. There it is. And the button's on this side. There it goes. And now let's explore. I wonder what's in here. Nothing. And over here we have a Dover elevator. We have a Dover with impulse fixtures, but there's something different about this elevator. This elevator is a little bit different in the inside, so let's push the button and let's find out. Let's call it first. That's right. Custom Dover impulse fixtures. G. Love that Dover buzz. Here we are up on this floor. Here's the button. Nice elevator. Let's go back down to letter C. This is a very nice elevator. I like the floor. Yep. Custom Dover impulse fixtures. There's the bell indicator. The bell indicator doesn't light up very bright. Kind of lights up in a reddish kind of. Okay. Now, let's ride this elevator, which it's missing the frame. It's missing the part of the frame. But this one's got a 2-speed door as well. Here we are. Let's go down. T. I think the T stands for the terminal. At the bottom. And in here is the elevator machine room for this elevator. This can be dangerous. So this is the elevator equipment room. Okay, let's go back up on this elevator. It's got a very cool glass door. Door close button works. I like that. Okay, we're going up. Yeah, that's a slow, slow elevator. Excuse me. Let's go back up on this one. And I thought I saw another elevator in a small facility that goes down. But let's go check it out first. There it goes. Let's go out here and let's go into this one. I believe there's an elevator in here. I'm not really sure if they have an elevator in here or not. If they do, oh, they do have another elevator. Let's ride this one. And this one's a Kone EcoDisc.
Going
There
down.
it is. See?
Going up.
Oh, all these facilities are connected together. Okay, let's go back up. Here's your EcoDisc fixtures. Cab. Very nice cab.
Going down.
2-speed door. There it goes. Alright. I believe that's all of the elevators in the MARTA Midtown Atlanta. That's all for the elevator touring for this video. Thank you for watching.